everyone, good morning, welcome here in my video, and today's video is all about greeting you a happy Mother's Day po to all the people that celebrating Mother's Day today. So sa lahat ng mga nanay na nagse-celebrate ng Mother's Day ngayon is gusto ko lang sabihin na happy Mother's Day, and you're so lucky kasi until right now, naabot pa rin natin yung tinatawag natin na Mother's Day, and kasama pa rin natin syempre yung mga pamilya natin. And sa mga tao dyan na malayo sa ibang bansa katulad namin, we're still here sacrificing, working, and doing our best to our family na hanggat sa abot ng aming makakaya, ginagawa namin ng lahat para masuportahan kayo at mabigay lahat ng pangangailangan nyo. And soon, nangangarap pa din kami na kahit anong mangyari sa mundo, makakasama pa rin namin kayo at hindi kami habang buhay magiging OFW lang. So, tandaan nyo yan. We're doing this, huwag kayong magtampo kung bakit malayo kami. We're doing this for all of you para makasurvive tayo, magawa natin ang mga pangarap natin sa buhay, and masustain yung mga pangailangan natin everyday to support our family, especially na pandemic ngayon. So, ano bang gagawin natin? We have no choice but to keep working and working para sa mga pamilya natin. So, sana dumating ang araw na hindi na tayo ang mag-work sa pera, kundi ang pera na yung magtatrabaho sa atin. So, naniniwala po ba kayo doon? So, dapat maniwala kayo, and yun yung i-goal natin in the future. So, thanks for watching this video, and happy Mother's Day again. Once again, this is Jviewers, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification there so that I can update you for my new uploaded videos. At kung bago ka sa channel na to, thanks for watching this video. So once again, this is Jviewers, OFW here in Hong Kong, your friendly Pinay. See you on my next video. Bye! Happy Mother's Day po!